Good morning, everybody. Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri. Here on one of our opportunities for today. Got a nice little ranch house we're going to do that's not too dirty. It's just got a little bit of mold and mildew on it. We're going to get it taken care of real quick. Shouldn't take too long. Show you what we're dealing with. You can see, do just have some dusty, dirty stuff, webs, dirt. Gutters are kind of dingy. Oh no, not really too bad. These gutters look kind of rough. But if you come back here, you can kind of see the issues. But we'll be able to spray that at about a 1.25%, 1.25% on the SH. Get it on there, let it dwell for a few minutes, rinse it right off. The sunny side doesn't hardly have anything. Got wood painted fascia, open soffit, so not really gonna mess with that too much. Got Noah filling the tanks up. Matthew stretching out hoses. Beautiful day here in St. Louis. It's about 64 degrees. Man, if we could get this every day of the year, that would be sweet. But anyway, this is today's project. Well, this is right now's project. And we're going to get everything set up. Did get my gun back with the M5 twist. Assassin nozzle. Thank God for that. Puppies are guarding the place. But yep, getting ready to knock this out. Well, we need to get that one across the street, don't we? Look at that. Woo, we're gonna be talking to them. All right, guys. Gonna get all fixed up and set up, and I'll show you some spray time in just a few minutes. all finished up on this one. Came out good. Look at those gutters. And they're bright white now. Love that. Little SH goes a long way. Mary's keeping an eye on us. I think she approves. Say a Hail Mary later, just in case she doesn't. But yeah, it looks good. I know, you see the wet spots. Don't look at that. It's still wet. But all in all, it came out 100 times better than what it was. It's kind of amazing. The house didn't look all that dirty until you get to spraying it. You see all the dirt and dust and stuff fall off of it. I guess that's what you get with a white house though, right? Sometimes it doesn't look dirty until it looks dirty. But yeah, good times. Clean house. I think she's gonna be super happy. And that's another one in the books. So, all right, guys, that's this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We're going to be putting out some more content. And we'll also be putting out content from Florida. You say, Doc, what are you going to Florida for? Well, as one of my occasional jobs, I am a subcontractor to FEMA doing housing inspections. So since Hurricane Ian hit, I have been contacted by FEMA that I need to do 4 weeks to 120 days down in Florida to do inspections. So when I'm not here in St. Louis, I'll shoot you guys some footage down in Florida and show you what the devastation looked like. So until then, be safe, keep spraying, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.